In this video, I'll show you how to change to married and filing separately on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And under 2025 taxes, you want to choose the first option, which is My Info. Once you click on My Info, what you need to do is simply head over to Your Info. At the bottom, click on the drop-down for your name. And below your name, click on Revisit. Now, once you click on Revisit, you just want to scroll down. At the bottom, click on Continue if you don't have anything to change in here. And from here, about your household, as you can see, I am set as single. If you do want to file as married, at the bottom, you can plan to file separately or as head of household. Now, filing separately means you won't get the earned income credit, education credits, and other credits. Exceptions are very rare. And once you have this selected, at the bottom, if you click on Continue, it will tell you to get your address and phone number. We will just click on Continue at the bottom. In here, it will ask you if you made money in any other states. If you don't have anything to change, click on Continue. It will ask you for your SSN or ITN. Click on Continue. Now in here, as you can see, we have dependent number 1. If we scroll down in here, you will see that your filing status is set as married and filing separately. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.